This section will cover part 1 of the formal business letter, which follows the 6 steps of effective written communication. It begins with the recipient's and sender's information, including name, company name, address, and contact information. The following paragraphs are about this letter is a proposal from our company Silicon Valley Fitness Incorporated to introduce a new mobile application.
The subsequent paragraphs talk about the advantages that FitCheck will have when obtaining this app. The 6 benefits are then explained here in this paragraph, and after that is the crucial steps that are considered before they need to take this application.
Part 2 of the assignment requires a full explanation of the 6 steps. The process includes determining the purpose and selecting an appropriate channel, envisioning the audience, adapting the message to the audience, organizing the message, preparing the first draft, and revising and proofreading.
Step 1. Determining the purpose. The first and most significant step in crafting any business letter is determining its purpose. The primary goal of many business communication is to ensure the receiver understands the logical information being conveyed. In Figure 1, Paragraph 1, we see how the purpose is clearly laid out. By placing the purpose in the first paragraph, readers quickly understand the letter's intent. For our formal letter to Dr. Wan Aiman Hussein, a representative of FitCheck, the most suitable channel is one-way, not face-to-face. This channel is ideal for conveying detailed or complex information in a formal written format.
Be presenting step 2, which is envisioning the audience. Understanding the audience is an absolutely crucial step for effectively conveying a message. The way you email your boss or manager will be completely different from the way you email your coworker. People with different statuses or economic levels will react differently to the way you convey your message. And when writing a business proposal letter, it is imperative to treat the recipient with respect and dignity, and to avoid any hint of being tactless or rude. In the case of our letter, we had to put ourselves in the shoes of FitCheck's head of human resources and convey a message that is careful and respectful. We meticulously considered 6 crucial steps: age, economic level, education or occupational background, needs and concerns of the receiver, rapport, expectations, and also culture.
Hello everyone. So my part, I'm going to explain what's inside in step 3. Step 3 functions as to send messages effectively to get the audience attention in combination. For this step, the writer has to use the main point of this message. So for number 1, the sender will use the you attitude to propose something to get the target by the receiver. As we can see, the sender used word FitChecks more than one in this paragraph. Refer to the you attitude. The use of euphemism. The sender used euphemism that replace unpleasant words to keep in balance and bring more chances to seek receivers' attention. The word drastic was used to replace word extreme.
I will be presenting about step 4, which is organizing the message. In terms of communication, organizing messages and delivering content in an organized manner can provide immediate understanding towards the readers effectively. So for this step 4, we have 3 points. The first point is determine the central idea to be conveyed. The main idea of the letter is proposed. The first and second highlighted lines in the paragraph talks about the prevalent aim of the proposal, followed by the next line which talks about the specific aim of the proposal. Predict the reaction of the reader. After the sender has required the initial essence of the letter, the reaction of the reader will be on the second paragraph. when the receiver has finally understood the aim of the letter, they would immediately find to understand how this new business development would effortlessly benefit them. And for the final point is deductive approach. It's the overall format of this proposal, considering the inferable approach in the two paragraphs that can incorporate the main idea of the report followed by the additional details.
I want to present about step 5. Preparing the first draft is the most important in letters. First, determining the purpose and appropriate channel. Write a formal letter business imperfect and correctly without any mistake. Important to know the purpose is because of specific and clear information. It can present clearly about the main issue without misunderstanding information. Second is active voice are important to use because of a direct and clear tone when communicating. Active voice is a grammar term used to classify a sentence. The outline with a red line is to make the sentence clearly and easy to understand. Important ideas should be emphasized with the purpose and clear ideas. Technique to emphasize the idea in letter are repetition. The sentence structure is the simple placing of an idea in a formal business letter. Using the simple sentence is easy to understand when less the sentence will be. This repetition of the same word more than once in sentence. Repetition can help emphasize a point in our formal business letter. Repetition is to get attention from the reader and listener by using the word, phrase, and concept in formal business letter.
For the last step, which is step 6, revision and proofreading. This step contains on functioning as to avoid sloppy messages, contains misspellings, grammatical errors, and wrong formats upon to the later enumerations and bullets. This functioning where the writer place numbers, bullets, or letters to attract the receiver. When the receiver read the letter, it's easier to them to understand the letter. So the last part is proofreading. Proofreading functioning as when the software cannot guess the correct spelling. So proofreading will when we use as a mechanical method to examine the wrong spelling.
In conclusion, every step has a significant role in setting up a formal business letter. A well-prepared business letter can significantly impact the collaboration's success. If the recipient agrees to collaborate, it means the letter effectively earned their trust. If not, it might not be due to flaws in the letter. They may have their own reasons.